Digital leaflet distribution today is dealing with manual labor cost and lack of scalability. Behind every flyer published, there are thousands of manual hours spent on cutting, tagging, and extracting information. This process is slow, and it's expensive, and it's risky. Retailers and aggregators are spending 6 to 7 figures a year on outsourced manual labors, and even then, quality and compliance are not guaranteed. At Bandpey, we believe this should be fully automated. We are computer vision experts, coming from autonomous driving, where accuracy is not optional. We have taken that expertise and built a vertically specialized AI system designed to handle leaflet processing end-to-end. The current manual operating model in leaflet processing hides more risk than it reveals. The quality of work is impacted. There is a risk in lack of compliance with retailer-defined rules, and aggregators and distributors cannot react to the burst of demand during different time of the year, such as Black Friday. PromoSnip is powered by proprietary semantic segmentation models, tailor-made, not off-the-shelf, trained on millions of flyer pages using NVIDIA H200 GPU clusters. It evolves continuously and delivers pixel-perfect precision. What used to take human hours, PromoSnip does it in milliseconds. And it's not just detection. The system automatically extracts structured text, product names, pricing, discounts, and generates enriched content optimized for SEO and digital publishing. PromoSnip integrates flexibly into your workflow. It starts with deal detection, finding promotional blocks on every flyer page. Next, automatic deal cutting that generates high-resolution deal images with image quality enhancement. Then, deal extraction pulls structured data like product names, SKUs, and discounts. Finally, deal enrichment generates marketing-ready text and metadata, boosting discoverability. Let's have a look on how it works. We have prepared a demo page that our clients can simply upload a flyer and really test from on various different edge cases that they think that is difficult to handle. You select a flyer page. The deal detection engine automatically detects the deal bounding boxes with a confidence score attached to it. PromoSnip deal detection has 98% accuracy. Here we can see that each product title is extracted with their pricing and the brands and what SKU and volume that product is associated to. This process is further passed to deal enrichment to correct the text, create alt text for maximizing SEO, and further enriching the category that certain deals belong to. Our clients can track their usage in an admin panel that we have developed for them. Let's have a closer look in our APIs. For the detect process of PromoSnip, we can see that we are chaining various different tasks in the API query string parameter. In this case, we are telling to PromoSnip that we want the detection, we want the deal cutting, and deal OCR. And this can be also further enhanced with deal enrichment. We will select a file, same as the demo page, and hit it against the API. As you can see, the categories and the bounding boxes are extracted with certain confidence score. The URL of the cut image is embedded inside the payload of the API. And further down, the OCR has extracted various different properties from the deal, and the enrichment process has worked on the title of the deal, the price, the original price of the deal, and additional categories. This can be customized with your specific need. Specific alt text can be extracted from here, and PromoSnip can be retrained on your specific categories. We have also developed an asynchronous API that we call it detect deferred, meaning that for very high volume digital leaflet distributors that they're dealing with 2 to 5 million deals a month, this process is better to run on an asynchronous manner, meaning that you want a quick response from an API. The API is going to return you an ID that in order to fetch a response from this API back, you have to call this with a web. That is very good when the deals and the job is running overnight, and the next day you just want to collect all the processed deals from a storage. The labeling correction mechanism, we are correcting the labels and identifying the deals ourselves with our data labelers. And once that deals are identified, this will feed back into the training process and retrain the algorithm, especially for that use case. For deployment, we give you flexibility over shared infrastructure and dedicated infrastructure. There are different SLAs associated with shared and dedicated infrastructure. When it comes to dedicated, you can get specific GPU clusters just for your workload, and even concierge training plan for your specific category of the retail, meaning that PromoSnip algorithm can be fine-tuned and specifically retrained for your need when it comes to, for instance, electronics or fashion retail or various different retail categories. That makes PromoSnip algorithm super specialized on your specific vertical. And here's a technique that we use that we refer to as many model machine learning, meaning that for specific retail vertical, the right machine learning model is going to kick in. When it comes to PromoSnip, we are not stopping here. Our upcoming features include enhanced SEO metadata extraction, specifically designed for generative engine optimization. As you might have known, the search overall in the web is declining, and more people are relying on technologies like ChatGPT to fetch information. And we are working on PromoSnip to enhance the generative engine optimization of various different deals. The next feature is advanced deal analytics and smarter rule-based extraction tailored to retailers. There are certain retailers that require merging of various different deals into one box together, and PromoSnip can do that from a semantic layer. It can understand the semantic of various different objects and integrate the retailer-defined rules to do the cutting specifically for that group of objects. We test every feature in private preview with our clients who have volunteered for that. And then if the feature has gone through various different quality gates, we make that generally available. PromoSnip transforms leaflet processing from a manual bottleneck into a fully automated intelligence layer. Faster, cheaper, and more accurate. Built to scale with you. If you're ready to eliminate manual work and unlock new monetization opportunities, PromoSnip is your engine.